The question says decreasing order of reactivity of hydrogen halide in the reaction. You can see alcohol is reacting with hydrogen halide. And always keep in mind in alcohol, especially in primary alcohol, OH group, hydroxyl group is not a better leaving group. Okay. Hydroxyl group is not a better leaving group. If we have this is R and OH is there, OH it is not a better leaving group. But once it is protonated, then it becomes a better leaving group. Why? Because you can see halogen being more electronegative, it will pull electron negative from hydrogen, then it will carry partial positive charge and it will carry partial negative charge is there. You can see oxygen is electron rich, it will supply electron negative here. Okay. Now you can see this oxygen is protonated. It has combined, attached to the H plus ion. Here we got R and it is O. And since oxygen is losing one lone pair, it will carry one positive charge. It is already connected to one hydrogen, and further it is connected to one more hydrogen. Here we got. You can see it is almost in the water molecule form. But oxygen having positive charge. Oxygen is a non-metal. Okay, oxygen is a non-metal, and non-metals having positive charge, highly unstable. So what will happen in this case? This oxygen will pull the electron density. Keep in mind, oxygen will not pull electron density from hydrogen. If it wants, it can pull, but if it is pulling electron density, reaction will go back. Okay, again it will go backward direction. So that's why to keep this reaction moving forward direction, this oxygen will pull electron density from alkyl group, because it is carbon is there, carbon chain is there, and oxygen is more electronegative than from carbon. So what will happen? This positive charge will be neutralized by this electron density, and this entire portion will be removed in the form of water molecule, leaving behind R plus is there, which is what? Carb cation. Here we have carb cation is there. Here we have the carb cation. We got carbocation. Okay, and we have carbocation. From here we have the X minus is there, halogen, then it will attach, then we get RX is there. This is how we complete the reaction. Okay, so OH group is not a better leaving group, but once it is protonated, it can be removed very easily. Okay, this is the one condition. And another part, we have a hydrogen halide is there, hydrogen halide which can easily release H plus ion. Okay, hydrogen halide which releases H plus ion very easily. So then it will be increasing the rate of reaction. Okay, so that's why pay attention carefully. We have halogen, hydrogen is same. But if we talk about the halogens, so as the size of halogens increases, their bond length increases, and hence their reactivity also increases. Because if we talk about HF, this is what we have HF. HF bond length is very small. Then we have HCl, it goes like this. Then we have HBr is there. Then it is HI is there. You can see as the size of halogen increases, you can see bond length also increases. Then as the bond length increases, you can see reactivity increases. Okay, so in this case you can see hydrogen can easily be removed from hydrogen iodide in comparison to any other halide. Okay, so first reactive is this one, then second one, then we got the third one, this is the fourth one is there. Okay, we have to write in the decreasing order. So we got HI, then HBr, then HCl, HF. You can see HI, HBr, HCl and HF. First option is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.